Today I'm going to share how I like to use the Kylie's Professional Mineral Goddess Cream Highlighter. This is the shade Halo, which is a beautiful golden beige suitable for all skin tones, and it comes in this convenient tube, or you can get it in a pot. This is a radiant creamy highlighter that achieves an angelic goddess glow without a glittery effect. It's enriched with nourishing certified organic jojoba and hydrating vitamin E to also keep your skin in perfect condition. So I like to apply this on the high points of the face where the light will naturally hit. So for example, the top of the brow bone, the top of the cheekbone, and the cupid's bow. Now the beauty of the stick is that it can glide effortlessly onto the skin. If you use the pot, you can also warm it with your fingertips and dab it on for a nice natural finish. So I'm going to start by gliding it onto the top of my cheekbone and then taking my finger, and the warmth from my fingertip will just melt it effortlessly into the skin for that beautiful radiant finish. Then I'll take some on the cupid's bow, again just melting it in, and I can take some on the top of the brow bone. As you can see, that's created such a beautiful and radiant glow, and it doesn't have any shimmer or glitter, so it's just a nice smooth finish. The Kylie's Professional Mineral Goddess makeup range is vegan, cruelty-free, and Australian certified toxic-free, making it safe and gentle for all skin types.